I mean, why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you watch videos on YouTube and get paid for them? Yeah, by watching videos. We're already doing that every day. As a matter of fact, YouTube has millions and millions of people on the platform every minute of every day watching videos. Why can't you do the same thing but get paid for it? We go to YouTube for different reasons. We go to YouTube to find information, to be entertained, to learn how to do something. Well, you can do that and get paid watching YouTube videos while you're doing the things you're already gonna do every day. If I could show you a way right now in this video on how you can start making money watching YouTube videos, would that interest you? Would it? There are hundreds of millions of videos on YouTube that we can access any given day. It's our new go-to. This is where we go to find information out, to learn how to do something, to be entertained. If we're already on the platform, video is anybody in the world can do this. This is a worldwide strategy. The first website I want you to go to is www. This is the website you're gonna go to. It's called addmefast.com. Now don't click off because there's gonna be an additional website that I'm gonna pair up with this particular one so you can start making money. Now, what is AddMeFast? Okay, AddMeFast is a website where you can go in and start watching YouTube videos and earn points. And you can turn those points into cold, hard cash. So what is AddMeFast? They are the leaders in the field of social promotion. We have more than 6 million active users from more than 211 countries. Guys, this is worldwide. This is freaking worldwide, guys. 211 countries. We have user-friendly interface, we have fast support, and we have several secure payment methods. So AddMeFast is another social media engagement marketplace. What that means is you can exchange like YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook views, Facebook likes, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, all of those social media platforms. You can come on here, earn points, and with the website I'm going to reveal to you here shortly, translate those points into money, like I said earlier. Don't worry, you don't have to have a YouTube channel with 1,000 subs and a bunch of views, and you're not gonna have to post videos on your YouTube channel. This is not the strategy. You could literally have a brand new YouTube channel with no subscribers, no views, and you're gonna be able to make money with this strategy. Pretty damn incredible. So you're gonna go to addmefast.com and then you're gonna click on try free now right here, okay? Once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this and you're gonna enter your email address, you're gonna create a password, you're going to re-enter that password, you're gonna click I'm not a robot and you're gonna click sign up. It's a free account, and again guys, this is worldwide. Anybody in the world can do this. So once you've done that, then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get an email, a confirmation email, and in the email you're gonna click to confirm the email address, and then you're gonna have access to this website with your account. I'm gonna go ahead and sign in to my account. I've already signed up. And here is what it looks like. Okay, now stick with me guys, because you're gonna wanna listen to the next steps. They're very crucial and critical in understanding what to do next so you can make the most money and have the most potential to earn the most with your time, okay? Now, as you can see, I already have 225 points. You're gonna get 200 points just for sign. So the way this is gonna work, is anybody can go to addmefast.com. This is how AddMeFast works. So I'm gonna explain how it works, and I'm gonna explain shortly after that how you're gonna make money with this website, with another website, another free website, okay? But we can leave, engagement. We can do engagement for other social media accounts. Like, you can see here, like we can do like Facebook likes, or Instagram followers, Instagram likes, Twitter followers. They have like YouTube, they have like TikTok followers, all those things. So it's gonna be like a like for like or a sub for sub type of thing, okay? And then when you add your site here, you're gonna get likes, you're gonna get, comments, you're gonna get followers, you're gonna get shares, all those things because you're doing the same thing that for them and they're doing it for you. All right, but that's not why you're here, to get likes and to get followers and to get comments and tweets and things like that. You're here to make money watching YouTube videos, okay? But I just wanted to explain how this website worked. So what I want you to do is I want you to scroll down and go to YouTube views, and that's right here, okay? I want you to click on that button. Now stick with me on this, okay? Click on that button and it's gonna come up here. Now, what you see here is YouTube views get free points for viewing other YouTube videos. All right, so here's what's cool about this. I'm gonna give you a live example on how you're gonna gather points, and then we're gonna show you how you're gonna turn those points into cash, okay? You're gonna click on a video right here, and it's a 30-second video. As you can see, it's 30 seconds long. I want you to click on this video, and this window is gonna pop up. All right, now it's gonna play a video. I've got the audio shut off. I've got the volume shut off, okay? But if I'm gonna move this aside, it's counting down, as you can see right here, 14 seconds, 15, 16. When it hits to 30 seconds of me watching this YouTube, and you can see it is a YouTube video right here. It's right from YouTube. When it hits 30, watch this. Okay? So the video goes away and I earn more points. You saw where I was at before. I was 220 something points. Now I have 242 points. You're going to continue to do this. So you can definitely continue to do this. Now you might get a couple of pictures like this. Please click on these two images to orientate them correctly. Well, this bird is upside down. Let's click that. Let's make that straight. Let's hit submit. And now I can watch another video. Okay, remember I'm at 242 points. Let's click video view. So here is the next video I'm watching. And you see I've got 12 seconds, 13 seconds, and so forth. Okay, remember I have 242 points. That's what I just earned on the last video I watched. It got me to 242 points. I've got about 4 more seconds to go with this video. Let's see what happens. It's almost over. There it is. I'm now up to 259 points. So you can see how easy it is to earn these points. And I'm going to show you how you can convert these into money into your bank account. And before I show you the next website that's going to go ahead and work with this website, I want to also point out that this is a huge referral program. Okay, you can earn up to 999 points for each referral that you send and clicks on your link and they sign up. Look at this. This is my affiliate link right here. You'll get your own affiliate link when you sign up to this free website. So do not miss this opportunity for extra huge amount of points that you can turn into cash. They even give you referral banners, and they pay with PayPal or crypto payments through Coinbase. Really, really cool website. And I also want to point out that they have a daily bonus, as you can see right here. If I click on daily bonus, I'm going to click on that. You can get daily 500 and more bonus points every single day. So there's a lot of ways on this cool website called addmefast.com that you can start earning points, lots of points, guys, that you can translate and turn into money. So remember, do this as many times as you can. Watch as many of these YouTube videos. Collect all the points you can. And now I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn those points into cash. So once you gather all these points, you can exchange them for like Facebook likes. Okay, so the website you're going to go to is called playerup.com. This is the marketplace where you can sell social media accounts and social media engagement. All right, so you want to scroll all the way down until you find a category called all other games and marketplaces. Okay, I want you to click on that right there. Okay, when you click on that, go to the letter F. Okay, when you click on the letter F, I want you to find the word Facebook. Okay, and you can see it right here. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, you can buy and sell Facebook likes, Facebook shares, Facebook views. So if I click on Facebook likes right here, okay, I'm going to click on that. And it's going to take me here. As you can see, people are paying $1, $6, $50, $5, $90 for Facebook likes. And if you go to addmefast.com, by watching the YouTube videos, you're going to accumulate points. And with those points, you're going to be able to sell those Facebook likes, Facebook shares, and Facebook follows for the same amount of money or more than these people are charging on playerup.com. So guys, you can see what a great strategy this is to create an online income right now, watching YouTube videos and then exchanging those videos and the points that you accumulate for Facebook likes and Facebook shares and Facebook follows, turning that into money that goes into your PayPal account. By combining these two websites, this is a great way to start doing it. Anybody could do this. It's worldwide. Now, with that said, this is a great way to make some side income. This is an active income. You have to perform a task, execute the task, and complete the task to get paid. If you want to learn what I'm doing to create an online passive income, an income that's being generated even while I sleep, or even when I'm on vacation with my family and friends, enjoying fun in the sun, I'm still generating an income with my online business. That's a true passive income. Guys, our time is so valuable, but we only have a finite amount of time to enjoy our lives, our family, and our friends, and our world. If you can enjoy that time with the people that you love, the people that you care the most about, and still earn a passive income online, why wouldn't you do that? If you're interested in learning how I'm doing that right now with my online business, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. Only click on that link if you're ready to walk through the door of opportunity that's right in front of you right now.